Today I'm going to show you a fun, simple craft that you can do with the kids with the materials you have at home. And it's called Sungka. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Jen from Flip Family. I'm a busy working mom of 2 kids, so I totally understand how time is so precious. So on this channel, you'll learn simple recipes to make for my busy parents, as well as some simple and fun activities to do as a family. Before we move forward with the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Figure out how to use egg cartons with my oldest child and try to get them engaged and do a fun craft. And there's so many different things you could do with the egg carton. You'll find it on Pinterest, on YouTube. But how did I integrate it with the Filipino culture? So Filipino games growing up was called Sungka, and it's also known as mancala. And it's a wooden board with 2 rows here, as you can see, and you use shells that get filled. You can find out more information actually on the Sungka in our membership, which you can sign up for if you go to our website at flipfamily.com. But check out this video. You can see how to make your own Sungka at home with egg cartons. So here are all the materials you will need. You need 1 egg carton that is the dozen size, not the big Costco size. The 72 pieces that are circular, such as beads, shells, marbles, or beans. Markers and glue are optional, and you'll need a pair of scissors. All right, let's get started. So we're gonna take our full egg carton and we are gonna cut the top off. So just completely cut it off. For now, we don't need it. And then you're going to cut off the other side, which is the flat part if your egg carton has it. So you just want to cut off all the pieces so you can have your own board like I showed you earlier. Then you're going to take the top and cut it in half. That's going to act as your heads that are the end parts, the bigger circles that I showed from the earlier Sungka. Those will go on the other side. So here I'm just attaching it to each end. Here this is where you can glue it down. You can glue it down after, because first we're going to decorate it. So like I shared earlier, the Sungka has little doodles. So you can take your markers or paint, whatever you have at home, and decorate it. We used markers because my son is not patient enough to wait for it to dry, so we just decorated with markers. But your kids can also paint it too to make it more festive, and any color, any design you want. So here we're just using a bunch of colors. It reminds me of being a little tribal with the colors. So have fun with it with your kids. I put our names here, Mom and Pax, so he knows which one's his side and which one's my side. And just continue to decorate. I started to decorate the inside of the eggshell, so to specific colors, so Pax knows which is his side and which is my side. You know, just have fun. And then, your kids will also recognize the colors, and he started calling out yellow and red, so it's a good interactive decorating time. Okay, next, you're going to take your beads or any pieces that you have, and you're going to put 6 pieces in each hole. Typically, with Sungka, you use 7 pieces in each hole. And again, this is not the true Sungka since an egg carton is a dozen, so there's only 12 holes. So we're going to modify it a bit and just use 6. So we're going to put 6 in each hole before we start the game. So the whole gist of the game is to collect as many pieces into your side. And you won is if you got the most. And when the game ends is when all the shells are on your side. So here my son I'm showing him how to use it, or where to put each piece in. So enjoy a little snippet of what we were doing. Yeah, then here. Right here.
Pink? What then?
Okay, put the white here. Then here, put the brown here. And then the pink. Okay, then we get these. What'd you guys think? How fun was that? See? I mean, it is a modified version of the Sungka, but it has the same concept that your kids can play with, and it's a great counting game for your kids and get them engaged and learn their numbers and how to count. So it's a win-win in both situations. One, you get to learn about the Filipino culture, and your kids can also count. So you can count them in English, in the Filipino language, or any other language to help them be more engaged. And if you're interested to learn more about the Filipino culture, like I mentioned before, we have an online membership called Flip Fam Connect, and you're more than welcome to join. Find out more information on the website at www.flipfamily.com for more information. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to get notified of the new videos we upload. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!